Welcome to Textile Bytes, where it's all about textile. Today we will discuss about scouring, bleaching and enzyme washing, that is, pre-treatment of cotton fabric as done in dyeing factory. The raw or grey cotton fabric contains a significant amount of impurities. In case of cotton fabric, it contains natural, added and accidental impurities. Natural impurities are impurities which the cotton fiber gathers during its growth. Added impurities are the wax and oil which are gathered during the process of spinning, knitting or weaving. Lastly, accidental impurities are dust, dirt and other foreign contaminants which are gathered on the grey fabric during the handling of the fabric. The process of removing these impurities is called scouring. This process also increases the absorbency of the cotton fiber. Cotton, like many natural fibers, has natural coloring. It is a yellowish color fiber. Bleaching is the process by which we remove the natural color of the cotton fibers. Then after scouring and bleaching, the biopolish or enzyme wash treatment is done. It is done to remove the hairiness of the cotton fabric and make the fabric smooth and lustrous. Also, this process improves the handle and pilling of the fabric. All these processes are done to remove the unwanted impurities and color in the fabric, increase the absorbency of fabric and improve luster and hand feel of the fabric. The amount of chemicals required for scouring and bleaching depends on the hardness of water, strength of chemical, quality of cotton fiber, and construction of the fabric. Here I am going to share a standard recipe for scouring, bleaching and enzyme biopolishing of cotton knitted fabric in soft flow dyeing machine as done in many dyeing factories. Liquor ratio, 1:8. Detergent, 0.5 gram per liter. To anti-creasing, 0.5 gram per liter. Anti-foaming, 0.1 gram per liter. To stabilizer, 0.6 gram per liter. Sequestering agent, 0.4 gram per liter. Oil remover, 0.5 gram per liter. To caustic soda, 2 gram per liter. Hydrogen peroxide, 4 gram per liter. For scouring and bleaching, the pH we need to maintain is 10 to 11. For neutralizing after scouring and bleaching, we will maintain 1:8 liquor ratio. We can use acetic acid, 0.6 gram per liter and peroxide killer, 1 gram per liter. For biopolishing or enzyme washing, we can use enzyme 0.6 gram per liter. For enzyme wash, the pH we need to maintain is 4.5 to 5. To start the process, we first load the fabric into the dyeing machine, and the required amount of water is loaded. And detergent, anti-creasing, anti-foaming and stabilizer chemicals are added. And the temperature is raised at 2 degrees Celsius per minute to 50 degrees Celsius. Caustic soda is added. And the temperature is raised to 70 degrees Celsius at the same rate. And the temperature is 70 degrees Celsius, then hydrogen peroxide is added. And the temperature is raised to 98 degrees Celsius. At 98 degrees Celsius the fabric is treated for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes the fabric absorbency is tested. Not okay, then this process may continue till 90 minutes. Fabric absorbency is tested every 10 minutes. When desired absorbency is reached, the temperature is decreased to 60 degrees Celsius at 2 degrees Celsius per minute. Then the water is drained out. Then new water is added for rinsing. Temperature is raised to 80 degrees Celsius and the fabric is rinsed for 10 minutes. After that the water is drained out. And again new water is added and to it acetic acid is added to bring the pH to 4.5 to 5. Once this is achieved the temperature is raised to 50 degrees Celsius. Then peroxide killer is added and the fabric is treated for 15 minutes. And after that the temperature is raised to 55 degrees Celsius. An enzyme is added and the fabric is treated for 60 minutes. After this process is completed the temperature is brought down to 40 degrees Celsius and then water is drained out. Then the last process of demineralization will start. Water is added and temperature is raised to 40 degrees Celsius. And detergent is added and temperature is raised to 60 degrees Celsius. Fabric is treated for 15 minutes. After that the water is drained out. After this, the cotton fabric pre-treatment is complete, and it is ready for dyeing. Thank you for watching this video. Get detailed notes, please visit www.textilebytes.blogspot.com. The link is given in the description below. Please comment what other textile related tutorial videos you like to watch, and also please comment if you want to discuss anything related to this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe and give a like on this video. To get a continuous notifications, please turn on the notification icon. Meanwhile, please check out other videos in Textile Bytes. See you all in the next one.